Welcome back to Online Marketing. Done right, your ultimate guide to mastering the art of digital marketing. I'm Tom, your host, and today we're delving into the realm of email marketing best practices. We'll uncover essential best practices to optimize your email marketing campaigns for success. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your email game, stick around for these actionable insights. The cornerstone of any successful email marketing strategy is a high-quality email list. Think of this as building a community of engaged individuals genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Offer valuable content like informative blog posts, downloadable ebooks, or exclusive webinars. Ensure your website and social media channels have clear and enticing opt-in forms. Consider offering incentives like a discount code or a free resource in exchange for signing up. Remember, quality over quantity is key. In today's digital age, personalization is paramount. Your subscribers are bombarded with countless emails daily, so it's crucial to make yours stand out. Segment your email list based on demographics, interests, or purchase history. This allows you to tailor your messaging and offers to specific groups, increasing relevance and engagement. By delivering content that resonates with each subscriber, you'll foster stronger connections and drive better results. Consider using dynamic content that changes based on the recipient's data. For example, if you're promoting a product, you can showcase different variations based on the subscriber's past purchases. Your subject line is your first and perhaps only opportunity to make a good impression. Keep it concise, clear, and compelling. Pique your subscribers' curiosity and entice them to click. Consider using numbers, questions, or a sense of urgency to grab their attention. For instance, instead of a generic subject line like new product announcement, try something like 7 ways our latest product can save you time and money. Most importantly, always deliver on the promise of your subject line. Misleading subject lines will only lead to frustration and unsubscribes. A/B testing, which we'll cover later, can be incredibly valuable for optimizing your subject lines. In today's mobile-first world, it's more important than ever to ensure your emails are optimized for smaller screens. People are constantly on the move, checking their emails on their smartphones and tablets. Responsive email templates are a must. These templates automatically adjust to different screen sizes. Avoid using overly large images or files that can slow down loading times on mobile connections. Keep your content concise and to the point. Mobile users often skim through emails, so make sure your key message is easy to digest. Use clear and concise calls to action that are easy to tap on a touchscreen. Consider using a mobile-first design approach, where you design for mobile devices first and then scale up for larger screens. Email marketing isn't a one-size-fits-all endeavor. That's where A/B testing comes in. This powerful technique allows you to experiment with different elements of your email campaigns to see what resonates best with your audience. Test different subject lines to see which ones generate higher open rates. Experiment with different calls to action to see which ones drive more clicks. You can even test different email layouts and designs to see which ones lead to higher engagement. The key is to test one element at a time so you can isolate the impact of each change. Once you gather enough data, you can confidently implement the winning variations and continue to refine your campaigns over time. By continuously testing and iterating, you'll gain valuable insights into your audience's preferences and drive better results from your email campaigns. Monitoring the performance of your email campaigns is crucial for understanding what's working and what's not. Keep a close eye on key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and unsubscribe rates. Your open rate tells you how many people are actually opening your emails. A low open rate could indicate a problem with your subject lines or sending times. Your click-through rate measures how many people are clicking on the links within your emails. Conversion rates track how many recipients are completing a desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a webinar. And finally, your unsubscribe rate tells you how many people are opting out of your email list. Use this data to make informed decisions about your email marketing strategy. By analyzing your data, you can continually optimize your campaigns for better engagement and results. That wraps up today's video on email marketing best practices. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert insights on mastering the art of online marketing. Implement these best practices in your email campaigns and watch your engagement and conversions soar. Thank you for joining us on Online Marketing Done Right. I'm Tom, your host, signing off. Until next time, keep optimizing and maximizing your digital efforts.